Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q50. We purchased this from one of our service customers. They were in the military, in the Air Force as a pilot and getting transferred to Florida. Him and his family only wanted to drive one car to Florida, so they decided to sell this and drive their Mazda SUV to Florida. And of course this clean Carfax, very well equipped Q50, which he serviced with us. How could we not jump at the opportunity to acquire this one for our inventory? Beautiful color combination, beautiful shape inside and out. And it is equipped with just lots of features. Aside from the sport package and the upgraded wheel and tire package, it has pretty much every option you could get in 2015. You have the upgraded leather seating package versus leatherette, interior wood trim. You have an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air. This one has adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, lane departure warning, lane departure intervention. It has a direct adaptive steering, so it's steer by wire, allowing you to take lots of control over the feel of the steering. There's no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's all handled by computers and electric motors, so it can filter unwanted feedback. For instance, if you hit a rut in the road or a pothole, which will normally jerk the wheel, that won't happen with this vehicle. And it also helps with crosswinds. I don't know if you've been blown around with the highway on crosswinds. Well, this will help cancel that out. Then you also have lane keep assist, which will make small steering corrections to help you stay in your lane on the highway to help battle drivers' fatigue. You have backup collision intervention. Of course, this one has a navigation package and has a 360-degree around view monitor. You can change views. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You have a drive mode selector that makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings. All-season floor mats, which are almost a must in our climate. 2015 is a unique year for the Q50 because it's the last year of the 3.7 liter V6. In 2016 it was replaced by a whole new fleet of engines, a 2.0 turbo as well as 3 liter turbo V6s. Some people like the 3.7 a lot. It's not as smooth and fuel efficient as the 3 liter that replaces it, but the 3.7 has a long track record of reliability. It's an engine that's won lots of awards that I've seen go 200,000-300,000 miles at my 15-year tenure at Infiniti retailers. It's also powerful. It makes 328 horsepower, so it makes more horsepower than the entry-level V6 for 2016, which makes 300 horsepower. And of course you have the Red Sport that's 400, so it's kind of a mix of in between. This one also features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. Intelligent all-wheel drive operates in 100% rear-wheel drive when all-wheel drive is not needed to help improve fuel economy. It gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car because this is a performance vehicle. And it helps with premature tire wear, which sometimes can be an issue with all-wheel drive vehicles. So as soon as those rear wheel slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It really improves your wet weather performance. And if you're going to drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better in the snow of all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive, which comes standard on the Q50. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. You only get Infiniti certified techs at a new Infiniti franchise like us. Who better to work on a vehicle like this, or who better to purchase a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll be very impressed, and thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.